Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to create Ghibli's image in ChatGPT. Firstly, choose a high quality image. Use a photo where your face or subject is clearly visible. Good lighting and focus make a big difference for AI inputs. Use an AI art platform that supports photo uploads and style transformations. For this, we're gonna use ChatGPT. You can either select a preset if the tool offers it or type in a prompt. You can type turn this photo into Studio Ghibli style illustration with soft brush strokes, detailed anime features, and warm pastel tones. You can set the resolution, aspect ratio, or art filters if you want. Now just press enter and wait for the AI to render your image. Preview the results if needed and adjust the prompt slightly and regenerate until you get your goal. Once satisfied, download your Ghibli-style image. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.